Today I had an amazing red carpet facial at Skin House on 12th and South Street in Philadelphia, and Shireen is the owner. She's fabulous. All of the estheticians are fabulous. This is a clinical type of facial. As part of my red carpet facial, I received a dermaplaning service. Dermaplaning is a process that removes dull skin and peach fuzz. Now she put a mask on and she's using these amazing ice globes. Now I'm getting a red light therapy treatment, which is beneficial to treat certain skin issues like wrinkles and scars, hyperpigmentation. You can see this is no makeup after the facial, and the products that I bought. My morning product is a 15% vitamin C product. It is the highest percentage of vitamin C you can get. And my evening is the Hydrocool Serum, which is chock full of antioxidants. As you can see, this is made directly after my facial. No makeup and no filters needed.